Oh look, that's me, the brand new Oneplus 9RT, the fastest they've ever created.
This is all very interesting, PM.
That's my maker, the guy who never settles for anything less than absolute perfection. Oh, this must be Sarah Knight, the agency's best agent.
By the way, you'll be working with Special Agent Knight on this one.
But the super thin bezels and slim body do make it easier and more comfortable to hold. And it does come in two colors, nano silver and hacker black. Let me show you. This device sports the largest vapor chamber in our company's history, surrounding the whole of the Snapdragon 888 chipset embedded within. So the heat just cools evenly and efficiently. It won't even burn your fingers, even during the most intense missions.
You wouldn't believe what I went through to reach perfection. Touch response rate of 600 Hertz is beyond amazing. You need to balance it with power consumption.
The remaining battery is less than 10%.
Oh, that's not a problem. The device has warp charge. 65T technology, basically designed to go from 1 to 100% in 29 minutes. Much faster than your regular 65 watts.
Ultra-fast Snapdragon 888, instantaneous touch response, and now warp charging? I'm all about maximum speed.
Designed for adaptive switching.
Yes, one more than most phones on the market today.
It's easier to achieve uninterrupted receptions and speeds when gaming. Yeah.
Hey, ready to go?